Right, this is the wire, obviously, welded in. I don't know what I'm telling you, can see it is. I'm going to have a go filing this little piece here. Yeah, I know I could get a grinder out, but I don't want to do that. I'm a bit old school, I'd rather get a file. Take a bit longer, but I know I can get it a bit more accurate. A little bit more on there, get off. Yeah, so it looks a bit high there. So I need to start off filing that little bit there and there. Then we just see how we get on. I need to sort of blend it in, but that curve there is not bad, is it? Not perfect, but it'll do for this old car. Yeah, I'm quite happy with it. It's getting better and better. I wish I'd taken more photos of it when I first got it to see how bad these lines were. They must have been this bad, surely. Anyway, let's get filing. I need to buy a few more files because all my old ones are blunt as anything, and I bought this one off a flea bay. The last file said, I've been filing it there, just needs a bit more. I reckon I can go down to that line there and start that bit there. That's got to be blended in. Alright, more filing. Well, it's getting there. Let's have a look, see what it fits like. No, it's getting there, isn't it? I think I can take that down quite a bit more. Between sort of, ouch, stuck at my finger. Up about there. And now that needs a good file. And that just needs blending in there a bit more. Right, a bit more filing. I think it's as good as it's going to get. I think the line, the gap up here is okay. Sort of walking through slowly. That could be a little bit higher there, but come back a little bit. I think that's acceptable. These little black lines there, they're the lines where obviously I need just a little bit more welding. And sort of coming down. It's all spot welded on or tack welded on. There is a reason it's only tacked at the moment. I'll show you in a minute. The bit I've got to do is right down the bottom there. I've got to give that a bit of a grind up. If we open the door, right, this is the inside. It needs a bit more of a weld up and a grind up to there. But I'm not sure what to do about down here because there isn't really a gap there. I don't reckon I need to weld that, you know. Look all the way down there. I can get away with it. Start from there, look. What do you reckon? Do you reckon I can get away with that? Unless I just put a couple of little tacks on there. Oh, it's focusing on something else there. Yeah, I think initially I should just weld all this up and grind it all up so it's all nice and flush there. Doesn't matter too much if it does stick out because this on here, that's where the rubbery thing goes. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. Even sort of standing back here, I think it looks okay. I don't know what you reckon. The only trouble is it sort of shows up this gap here now, but I think I'm going to have to start leaving. I can't close that gap up. Well, I can. All I need to do is cut down there and close it a bit, which I might even do that yet. I'm not sure if any of you guys watching this actually own an A30 and A35, and it'd be nice if you could let me know what the gaps are like in your doors, or whether this is good or bad. I can close it up a little bit. Might be tempted to close this bit up a bit. What's that? Weld inside wing. Just there, look. That needs cutting down there. And it's closing up just a little tiny bit, and also I can bring it up a little bit. I've also got to bring this bit here. I know you can't probably quite see it from there, but that's sticking up a bit. So that and there's got to stay the same. But when I take the wing off, I can deal with that. I have started to grind that a little bit there, nice a bit more. I think I don't really know what to do about is there's a gap there, look. Okay, you see right through. I'm not sure what it is. I don't know if they put lead down it or what. I'll have to look into it. I think you might get some sort of a masticky thing. There must be something on the market. I can screw it down and paint over. But what I don't want it to do is start cracking. So all in all, that's pretty good. Right under there, all the plug welds all down there and ground off. I did actually trim it all up. And again, this is all just tack welded still. Okay, I'll show you why. That's the reason why. Oh look, it's on 0. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I do really appreciate you watching my videos. Hopefully they're getting a little bit better to watch. The first ones I've done, I was a bit erratic and I had some loads of loud music and stuff like that, but I'm hoping I sort of got it sussed out about right now. I know some of them get a bit boring because unfortunately a lot of things I'm doing at the moment is just cutting and welding. Anyway, thanks again so much for watching, and please subscribe if you could. It make all the difference to my channel, makes it grow, and it helps me to get it out to more and more people, and I can have really good conversations with people. You know, we talk about similar interests. Anyway, again, thanks so much for watching. See you again shortly. Bye now.